Hey there! Have you ever heard of Look on the Bright Side Day? This is a fun holiday that happens right around the winter solstice, the time of year when there's less daylight each day. What does it mean to look on the bright side? To me, it means to remember what good things can happen alongside difficult things, that light and dark exist together. For example, the sun sets earlier in the wintertime, which for me means less time outside. I don't like that at all. I love being outside. But more time inside means more time to be cozy. I love to get under a blanket and read my favorite books. To me, that's the bright side. Looking on the bright side doesn't mean ignoring difficult things, but it can help you feel comforted that stressful situations will change, or that there's always something new to do or learn. Happy Look on the Bright Side Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.